Hi, I'm Keal Harter from X-Rite Pantone, and we're excited to tell you about the eXact Auto Scan. eXact Auto Scan is a new scanning solution for the commercial offset market. It comes in a 29-inch track and a 40-inch track, and let me tell you more about it. To prepare the eXact for a scan, all you do is move the target window back, close the eXact, lock it into place, affix the charging backpack to the eXact, put it into the cradle, and swing the arm, and you're ready to scan. So the eXact Auto Scan uses laser alignment to align with the color bar. The laser can be activated by using a push button or the foot pedal. So first you activate the laser and you align the color bar to the laser. You can then align the magnets as a paper stop to ensure that once you remove the sheet, you can quickly replace it and activate another measurement. I'll demonstrate this now. Being able to replace the sheet for another quick measurement and line and press to measure. We also provide magnets to affix the sheet to the actual track. Measurement can be activated by hitting the foot pedal once again to activate the vacuum, activated within the software, or hitting the yellow button. After conducting the scan, the data is seamlessly brought into the ink key control software to allow the press operator to have the heads-up display and make the adjustments they need on press. To measure multiple sheets rapidly, we provide paper stop magnets to align to the bottom of the sheet. So as demonstrated, you measure, and after alignment of the laser, you only need to do this one time before removing the sheet to taking another measurement. You just align to the paper stop, and it will be automatically aligned to take another measurement. So the eXact Auto Scan is a pass-through system, meaning that you can measure a color bar in the middle of the sheet. To do so, activate the laser, align the color bar to the laser, and either affix the magnets to the track to ensure alignment, or the option to have the alignment bar press up as a paper stop to the actual sheet itself to make sure you have proper alignment. The exciting thing about the eXact Auto Scan is its versatility. It's a 3-in-1 instrument, meaning that you can do spot, manual, and automated scan. For me to demonstrate this, all we have to do is take the arm back, release the eXact from the carriage, put the target window back, and take a spot measurement. After taking a spot color measurement, the data will be seamlessly brought over to the ink key control software to give you the data that you need. To see the last measurement of a scan, you just close that window to be able to see all of the ink keys and how to appropriately make adjustments for the press operator. The ink key control software is very easy to use and very similar to other software platforms by X-Rite. It's very similar to the EasyTrax or IntelliTrax software. It comes with the editor where you can edit jobs and create color bars, the press tool where you actually see the heads-up display for the press operator, and the reporting tool that allows you to take that press tool data and then publish it in a nice report for any customer who may need to see that. We thank you for your time today. We're really excited about the eXact Auto Scan, and we hope you are too. Again, eXact Auto Scan delivers versatility in the press room by offering a 3-in-1 solution with spot, manual, and automated scan to save you time and money where it matters most.